So at Hybrid World, I talked about AI in general and the future of AI. I talked a lot about the hype and scaremongering that's surrounding the industry at the moment. We've got a lot of global tech leaders coming out and saying ridiculous things like there's going to be a robocalypse that's going to take over our jobs and, impact us greatly. And I guess I was just trying to put AI into context for the general consumer and help them to understand that it's not this big scary thing. It's something that can greatly improve many industries. So key messages were probably AI can be used for a lot of social good. So in one of our businesses, we're using AI to analyse images of embryos to better improve IVF outcomes. That's an amazing good of AI. AI can also be used to underpin a whole range of different medical diagnostics applications. Can be used in automation, which is not necessarily taking over people's jobs, but it's about making them more efficient and doing the things that computers do very well that are mundane and repetitive for the human. Yeah, so we've got two AI businesses. Preston is actually an AI platform and it specialises in two different areas. The first is human behaviour automation, and that's about automating human-centric tasks within businesses that are very repetitive and mundane, and where you've got thousands of people performing tasks that really take them away from the more creative parts of their jobs. The other aspect of that platform, and probably the most well advanced, is our medical diagnostics platform. And that streamlines and automates the process of getting medical images, building diagnostic models, and then delivering them to clinics via a software web-based system. And that's what underpins the Life Whisperer business. A hybrid world. I think a hybrid world is where technology and people kind of interact seamlessly. It's the future of kind of technological advance and how technology is going to underpin and impact every part of our lives. And it's about living in harmony with the technology. It's crazy what you can do, because we've had the perfect storm of massive amounts of data having been collected over recent years. The technologies, some of which have been around for decades, but now we've got the computing power to be able to run them and deliver them effectively so they can actually be implemented in real life and solve real world problems. Well, I don't see a robocalypse, that's the first part, but I see AI underpinning many industries that we have currently. I think in order to remain competitive, organisations are going to need to turn to automation. It's inevitable. We've got an ageing workforce. We're not going to have enough workers to be able to support all the industries that we have. In medical diagnostics, huge gains to be made. There's certain things that computers do very well that even humans can't do as well, like basing a diagnostic decision on tens of thousands of previous images. That's very easy for a computer. It's not so easy for a person. So I think it's not going to take over jobs, but I think it's going to have a positive impact on many industries. Hybrid World Adelaide was really awesome because it was basically celebrating technology, and it was completely fearless discussion about what the future might look like. And I think that's really important, because there's no point in being scared about it and then not talking about it. And it's great to see some of the amazing things that are having a real positive impact on society and our livelihood in general. So I think it's a great celebration of what's on the horizon and what we've got to look forward to.